Does Gonadorelin work? Been taking it for 6 weeks and haven't seen any benefits.
Man, that's another one that, it's a pet peeve of mine. I saw a guy this week who had been put on it without even really knowing why, because his clinic told him they couldn't get HCG. They told him that it was illegal, or they made up a lie about it, right? If you look at how Gonadorelin injectable is supposed to be dosed, does it work? Yes, if you do it the right way, like it's done in the studies, which is multiple dosing. We're talking 2 to 3 hours here throughout the day. Well, I asked this guy the other day, I said, how often are you taking Gonadorelin? He's like, twice a week. I said, it's not going to work. You're literally wasting money. So find HCG if that's your goal. If you can't get it through the provider you're using, find one who knows how to get it. There is one compounding pharmacy still making it. If you have to go outside of the US and get it, it's not illegal to order a personal use supply of HCG. So that's another option. We did that back in the day, in the bodybuilder days, right? We would get Clomid and all this stuff when we thought we needed it for the PCT, right? You get Clomid, gray market from India. It's a crapshoot. Do you always know what you're getting? No. Most guys get legit stuff and it's fine. So it's kind of a, roll the dice again type of thing, but it's not illegal. There's nothing wrong with going and sourcing HCG from somewhere else. If you can't get it and know that's what you need, number one, try to find a provider that knows what they're doing and can get it. And if you can't do that, be resourceful, be smart, educate yourself so that you're not going to get duped by these clinics.